If you want to crop an image into a perfect circle in GIMP, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to turn any photo into a clean circular image with a transparent background. This is great for profile pictures, logos, thumbnails, and social media graphics. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open GIMP and load the image you want to edit. Once your image is open, head over to the toolbox and select the Ellipse Select Tool. If you want a faster way, you can simply press E on your keyboard. This tool is what we'll use to make a perfect circular selection around the part of the image you want to keep. Now, look at the Tool Options panel. If you don't see it right away, you can find it under Windows, then Dockable Dialogs, and then Tool Options. In that panel, look for Fixed Aspect Ratio and set it to 1:1. This is the important part because it locks your selection into a perfect circle instead of an oval. Without this setting, your crop could end up stretched or uneven. Once that is set, click and drag over the image to draw your circle. Try to position it around the subject you want to keep. If the circle needs adjustment, don't worry. You can click and drag the center area of the selection to move it around until it's placed exactly where you want. Take your time here because this step determines how clean the final result will look. After your circle is positioned correctly, the next step is to enable transparency. This is really important because if the layer does not support transparency, GIMP may fill the removed area with a solid color instead of making it see-through. To do this, go to your Layers panel. If needed, you can open it by pressing Ctrl+L. In the Layers panel, right-click on your image layer and choose Add Alpha Channel. If that option is grayed out, that's actually fine because it usually means your image already supports transparency. Once the alpha channel is enabled, GIMP will be able to remove the background cleanly and leave the outside of your circle transparent. Now we're ready to remove everything outside the circle. Since the circle itself is the part you want to keep, you need to invert the selection first. Go up to Select, then click Invert. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+I. After that, the selected area will switch from the inside of the circle to everything outside of it. With the outside area now selected, just press the Delete key on your keyboard. You should see the background disappear and be replaced by a gray checkerboard pattern. That checkerboard pattern means transparency, so if you see that, you've done it correctly. Your image is now cropped into a circle with the background removed. The final step is to clean up the selection outline. Go to Select and choose None, or simply press Ctrl+Shift+A. That will remove the marching ant selection line, leaving you with a clean circular image ready to export and use anywhere you want. And that's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to crop an image into a circle and keep the background transparent. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more GIMP editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.